Hello, W1ASB. This is my scorpion antenna on the top of my pickup. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to remove and disassemble this antenna. This is a quick mount made by Breedlove. Okay, and this is the antenna by itself. It's very well made antenna, and there was a little red screw you have to loosen, and you can slide off the antenna. This is the bracket for the antenna, and this is the antenna by itself. It about a minute to remove all. So that's the bracket, and this is the antenna. All I have to do is slide the antenna back and connect the coax and the control cables. That's all it takes. Very well made antenna.